That's where the zip line goes from the Phenix City side. Can you put that in a pocket? Thank you.
Question.
Okay.
The number 4.
I do not know why there is a number 4 on the bridge up there. I wonder, do you see right there at the top of the, it looks like there's an emblem up there of some sort.
We probably get that trestle pretty good from the...
Oh, you can see the trestle now. See the bridge and the trestle under it, and the mill behind it. Y'all, that mill over there is also, it's called the Trade, I can't think of what it's called right now, Trade Center. But it's also haunted because evidently there was a not really nice boss over there who bothered a lot of people, and he ended up falling into something to his death.
Oh, it looks like there's somebody standing in the window over there.
Might be him. I see what you're talking about, and I couldn't zoom good enough to show that, but y'all look at that. Ain't that a shot? The Dillingham Street Bridge, the train trestle. I hear a train behind me blowing its horn. This is the Phenix City Amphitheater. And right here beside, on this side of the Riverwalk, there's Frisbee golf.
And the wind feels good.
Wind feels good. It's 82 degrees. It is a wonderful August evening.
Got the raindrop.
Nah, there's a bird flying over.
I hope not.
It don't matter. That happens all the time.
Go down here.
Yeah, let's go down here because over here, this is where the, oh, I felt it too. Mine went right on my lip. I hope it wasn't a bird. Anyway, this little creek that we're going to go down here next to, that's one of the places they found a lot of the gators because the water's calmer, stiller over here.
Well, let's hope we don't run into gators.
Well, let's just hope if we do that we got enough room we can get away. I do like that bridge over there. I always have, the going on the Riverwalk.
The Columbus State.
Across the river.
The mill.
Yeah.
Another mill. Another mill.
Well, it's all Eagle and Phoenix Mills, but it's 3 Eagle and Phoenix Mills over there.
They're eating now.
They're having a picnic. You're right. How cool is that? That's a shot right there, though, y'all.
It is. It's
that
beautiful.
Is beautiful.
You get the rapids, you got the mills, you got the old water tower there. You got the beautiful artwork there on the Columbus side.
You can get pretty close to the water. In fact, y'all, I'm going to skip going around. I'm just going to go down through the grass. You can just drive right into the water over here. And actually,
because you can't do that on the Columbus side.
And actually, it's happened before. There was a car that drove right off into the river, and they had to get divers out here and hook it up and pull it out of the water. Yeah, mind blowing, ain't it?
Yeah, this is as close to the river, I guess, as you can get.
On this side, you can get right to the river. The Phenix City side is not like the Columbus side. See the Columbus side over there? They got fences and gates, and you don't go down into the water. Over here, there are several places where you have access to the river. You look right over there, there's people fishing right over there.
Interesting, they got like steps.
Yeah, to go down to the water. It does. It is so wonderful out here right now. But, buddy, it don't smell really bad, but you can smell the fish. I ain't going out that rock. There's gators in that water. Hey, look, I ain't even joking. I saw on Facebook this week where they got a 12-foot, 400 and something pound gator out of the backwaters over there close to my house where I swim all my life. But it's right here that you can get down, and I've seen people playing in the water right there. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is not a gator, y'all, but I didn't know what it was. It started moving. You see the bird over there?
Oh yeah, I do.
Okay, I just saw something moving. I thought, uh-oh.
Wish I had the other camera on.
I do too, because I can't zoom in real good, but it's walking down. I think it's gonna go down into the water maybe.
He's looking for fish. He's hiding.
Oh, I'm sure. And one just jumped right there. Yeah, it's so pretty over here. What?
Have we ever been this close over here?
Yeah, that's a turtle or something. I think the bubble's coming up over there. I don't think we have on this side. We've been over there on that side and come down about close as we could get. But no, not over here. It's a pretty spot.
It really is.
And I've seen lots of folks playing in the water over here. In November 1836, 6 Creek and Chattahoochee Indians were hanged near this spot for their role in a last desperate uprising against the frontier whites of Georgia and Alabama. This was right around the time of the Trail of Tears, y'all. And I keep reading, but I can't breathe. Whew. See, I come up that hill right there. I'm sorry, I come up that hill and
I didn't come up steps, but I did come up that hill.
Tim walked all. He didn't do it the way I did. Actually, I'm just saying that he did. He came up the hill right behind me.
I mean, it's at a 110-degree angle.
Let's walk on to flat land now. Let's be flatlanders for a minute. I do like this bridge.
It's a pretty bridge.
It is a pretty bridge. And I love the way it's got these little outlets here on each side where you can walk over and look down at the creek that we're up above.
That way you don't get bit by alligators.
I haven't heard of anybody getting attacked.
Smell it. I wonder how many frisbees has been thrown into the river.
I imagine quite a few. Woo-wee. Oh, this is where you can do the treetop thing over here. I didn't know they had one of these. I guess I did, but I had forgot. You know, walking up there.
I see that.
Yeah. Kind of like what they have at Callaway Gardens.
Yeah. I think that's a lot higher.
No, it's not. It's about the same distance. But maybe, I don't know.
It looks higher than me up there.
Our grandson told me the other day that he was ready to do the adult one the next time he does it. He doesn't want to do the kid one. He wants to do the adult one. And I'm like, he might be ready for it, but I don't know if I'm ready for it. I had a hard enough time with him doing the kid one, which was only about, what, 4 or 5 feet off the ground?
Yeah.
Then again, that was a couple of years ago. He is 12 now, so, you know. Yeah, I don't want to do none of that. You know, I've never seen anybody doing that over here either.
I don't think anybody knows about it.
See, on the Phenix City side, you can still drive down to the river, look.
Yeah.
That's some shallow water down there, y'all. It's deep on the other side, though.
It turns and goes back that way.
Yep. I see that. I'll listen to the birds. There's a sandbar down there. I see a 4 on that bridge down there too, Tim. I see a 4 on that bridge right there too. That's the 13th Street Bridge.
There's the alley.
Yep. And the rapids. And there's more of this treetop course over here. I mean, it just goes on and on and on.
It does.
More of that course right there, y'all. And then we got, I don't want to climb that hill.
I bet you it goes back down.
It goes back down over there where we was just at.
Yeah.
Let's see what this sign right here says. Oh, the tie snake. This next sign's about the tie snake, which is like our version of the Loch Ness Monster on the Chattahoochee River. Only the tie snake is known for drowning people. It's a Creek Indian legend.
When I was out
I don't know if you was ever that young. I don't know if I was that. Well, yeah, I was that young one time.
I was just sitting there thinking, those up top, look how far apart they are.
And they got ropes to swing across.
Between them. No.
I'll pay for it. Actually, I would not pay for it to watch. I don't think I can handle it. I'm loving this weather. This wind, this little breeze we got going on.
Yeah, you were saying about that.
The Creek Indians believed this section of the river was inhabited by a giant tie snake, a mythical monster that snared the unwary and dragged them down into the watery underworld. The tie snake was but one of many strange creatures and natural forces featured in the myths and folktales of the native people of this region. Among these were the winds, the thunder helper, the orphan, the trickster rabbit, and the tar baby. LaGrange lawyer W.O. Tuggle recorded many of these tales in the late 1800s. Joel Chandler Harris read Tuggle's collection, which formed part of the material out of which Harris fashioned his Uncle Remus stories. So after all this time, I'm to find out that the tar baby comes from Columbus too. Y'all, Columbus never ceases to amaze me. I have an original Joel Chandler Harris Uncle Remus stories. I just want to get the other side in different ways. I'll go back the other way. Y'all, I have to have mercy. Tim's been working all week. I've been working on videos. We got to go uphill to get to the car, so.
No, I mean, that's that hill.
I ain't going up that hill.
You want to go down there and get a closer look?
Nope. I'm ready to start walking back. I've pushed you far enough.
Yeah, pretty pushed.
Let me-
Bugs.
Bugs.
Yeah.
So this has been our adventure. We're on the Riverwalk on the Phenix City side. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and
We love y'all.